Fear against those who prey on the fearful.
Someone like you is only here by choice. You have been exploring the criminal fraternity, but whatever your original intentions, you have become truly lost.
On what path can you offer?
The path of a man who shares his hatred of evil and wishes to serve true justice.
If you are bored of brawling with petty thieves and want to achieve something,
If you devote yourself to an ideal, and if they can't stop you, then you become something else entirely.
Which is?
A legend. You may find what you were looking for in the first place.
And what was I looking for?
Only you can know that.
to manipulate the fears in others, you must first master your own. Are you ready to begin?